Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this brand new dental kit that I just received. It comes in this really cute case, and inside it has a protective piece of fabric, and then you can see here you have a set of 6 different tools. You have your mirror, 3 different types of picks, a scraper, and a long set of tweezers. Each one does have the plastic cap on it to keep it safe and nice and sharp. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how I would use these at home, because I'm an amateur and I'm not a dentist, but it's nice to have those extra picks at home just to get a nice quick cleaning in between your teeth, and then the reachable mirror, which is nice.